Hi, I am Roxana from VP Estate, and in this video I will show how to manage agents. Depending on your business model, admin can add manually the agents and assign properties to them, or allow agents to register in front end and manage their own properties. If admin decides to allow users to log in as agents and manage their own listing, then the process is simple. The user will need to register. Select agent as user level. Login. The agent will need to add his details. Like phone, mobile, social information. He can add custom fields with extra details. Also, he will have access to my properties list and add new property to be able to add new properties and manage them. For admin to be in control of the properties added by agents, admin can enable approval. This can be done from team options, membership settings. Submitted listing should be approved by admin, should be set to yes. When agent will submit a property, the waiting for approval status will show and the property will not show on front end. Approve it. Admin will need to go to admin properties, edit the property, and press publish. Only admin will be able to approve listings. The process for agents managing the properties will be easy as user dashboard pages are user-friendly and very easy to understand. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more, please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.